Maserati is expanding its roster with the 2023 Grecale, its second SUV. The tiny luxury crossover sits below the midsize Levant. As with the new MC20 supercar, the Grecale has a Maserati grille, but its bulbous body epitomizes its class, which includes the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, BMW X3, and Porsche Macan. All-wheel drive and a 296 horsepower Turbo 4 are standard on the 2023 Grecale. The top-of-the-line Trofeo has a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V6. Next year, Maserati will add an electric Grecale Folgore. Maserati's Grecale starts at $65,000. It's among the most expensive compact luxury SUVs. Medina unleashes the base 4-3 25 cylinders horsepower. The Trofeo variant will likely cost more than the ordinary version. The Grecale has powerful engines. Each engine has an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. Standard engine is a 296 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder. A 325 horsepower version is available in Medina grade. Sportier drive settings are forgiving, and comfort mode is pillowy. The Grecale has neutral handling and is agile, but the Porsche Macan is more fun to drive. The Trofeo's twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 is detuned from the MC20s. The Grecale Trofeo has 523 horsepower and 457 lb-ft. Maserati boasts it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and reach 177 miles per hour. The Trofeo's adaptive dampers and air suspension are optional on four-cylinder variants.